Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Virgo, also known as Karen. In today's video, I'm going to do some cash stuffing for debt payoff. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get started. Hi Bestie. Alright, so I'm going to do my debt payoff challenge today, and I'm going to save $13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright, $13 to go towards my debt payment. I just recently started doing debt repayment last month, and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and incorporate this challenge into savings towards paying this off. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Please leave in the chat an emoji. And I love this challenge with my dot markers because the dots fit perfectly within the circles. So excited to start this. And this challenge is available on Etsy. Alright, so that's $13 towards paying my debt. Hopefully you enjoyed this cash stuffing. I have a low income, so I save lower amounts. So thank you so much for joining me today in my first debt payment cash stuffing. I have the information in the description. If you're not subscribed, hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel and engage with me in the comments. But just know, just because you have low income doesn't mean that you can't cash stuff. Toodles.